Everyone, welcome to Sweets and Treats. My name is Annie and today we are making famous San Sebastian cheesecake for pistachio lovers. I like this recipe because it's way easier to make than classic cheesecake and almost impossible to mess it up. We will need cream cheese, heavy cream, sugar, eggs, pistachio paste, cornstarch, matcha powder and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature in order to get the smoothest mixture possible. If you cannot find pistachio paste, just blend roasted and salted pistachios in the blender until it becomes a paste. Matcha is optional in this recipe. I added for more intense green color, and you will not feel the matcha taste in your cheesecake. In mixing bowl, combine cream cheese and matcha. Mix it together until smooth. Use spatula or spatula attachment on your stand mixer. We don't want to whip it and fill our cheesecake with the air bubbles which can cause cracking and an uneven texture. Add sugar and mix it again. Next, add pistachio paste. Add vanilla extract. Add cornstarch and mix it together. On this step, if you notice some lumps in the butter, you can blend butter with hand blender for a bit. Pour in the room temperature heavy whipping cream and mix well to combine. Add the room temperature eggs one at a time, mixing well and scraping down the sides of the bowl after each addition. Pour the butter into the lined pan. Tap the pan to release any bubbles. Place the pan in the preheated oven to 230 degrees for 15 minutes and then bake it at 200 degrees for another 20-25 minutes until the cheesecake is set around the edges but jiggly in the middle. Let the cheesecake cool in the pan until completely cool to room temperature, then place it in the fridge to chill overnight. Let's make pistachio sauce. We will need white chocolate, heavy cream, pistachio paste and chopped pistachio. Heat the heavy cream but don't boil it. Add hot heavy cream to the bowl with the white chocolate. Wait a little bit and mix it together. Add pistachio paste. I also add a bit of green chocolate powder color for more intense color, but this step is optional. Finally, add crushed roasted pistachios and our sauce is ready. Enjoy every bite of this beautiful cheesecake.